Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's March 18th, and we had that freeze, and we did lose quite a bit, and we'll go look at that. But I've started planting more seed. We got here some watermelons and some cantaloupe, honeydews, that kind of stuff. We do have seeds that we had already started. This is some Gabriella lettuce, which is a red lettuce. It doesn't look red, but it is. We started it. We started some peppers and some more tomatoes because we were low on them. Lost quite a few. And we've got some okra and some peppers, some hatch that we had finally got to germinate, and we've got half a dozen of those. Up here too, we've got some shoots that come off sweet potatoes, and we'll take a look at these and how they rooted in whenever we do our update on our little way to get more sweet potatoes. But we're going to move all this stuff out that's already germinated. The temperature is going to be warm enough now. I had 41 was the low, supposed to be last night, and so now everything's doing good. We do have a few propagations that we got going on in here. We've got our black mission fig. We're going to move location, so we've got some cuttings on it, and we're going to move some elderberries. And this is a setup I've been doing to root these in, and we'll do an update on this whenever I give them a couple more weeks. They should be rooted in good. But we'll go out and look and see how the garden is, and take and move all these plants out. Okay, we got our little other seedlings out here in the greenhouse. I think it's supposed to be 49 tonight, which is fine. It's not going to bother anything. We have actually rolled all the ends back up on the greenhouse. It doesn't look like we're going to get anything close to a problem. Now it's a day later. All these peppers that were in here, they look good. We did have a little burning on our sweet potato slips. As you can see, we got a few toasted leaves in there. Not bad. These tomatoes that were in here, they were fine. They weren't covered. They did get down to, like say, it was 32 in here, which was not bad, being it was 26 outside and there's no heat. But the tomatoes that were out here, and we did water, and it seemed like the ones that were right close to the sprinkler that got, I guess, more ice or maybe more water seemed to do good. But you can see most of these are toast. There's some that may survive there, don't know. There's a few others that we'll maybe pull in. Maybe we'll get a few tomatoes. You can see these. There's a few varieties that handle it better. We had some that we covered with buckets that are over there. They look like they may survive, but it's going to be questionable. These peppers that were covered out here, they look mighty rough. We have transplanted or started more seed. That's the thing when you plant early. Sometimes you eat the bear, sometimes the bear eats you. So, but that's where we're sitting. I figured I'd give you this update. Don't cry if you tried to get something early. Just hope that you had enough that you can still get a little bit of something off it. If not, it's just a matter of planting more seeds and set you behind a little bit. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this update. Give me a good thumbs up. I really appreciate those of you that hit that like button. And of course, enjoy that gardening experience.